Hello and welcome guys. Today I want to show you how you can create your very own ebook for affiliate marketing, and this isn't tied in just to affiliate marketing. You can use the strategies I'm going to show you to create an ebook for any business. It doesn't matter what business you're in. The best part about this is you do not need to be an expert. I am certainly not an expert. I'm not a book creator and I'm not a writer. My grammar and spelling is terrible and I really struggle to type. I'm really slow at typing. I can use just these two fingers and that is it. So the strategies I'm going to show you is going to really help you if you're like me and you struggle to do all of those types of things, and you find creating an ebook really daunting, but you know that it's going to help you grow your business. This video is going to be for you, so you're going to want to stick around guys, because I'm going to show you some really neat tricks. Yes, I'm using Canva like most of the other videos you see here on YouTube, but there's some twists, and these twists are really going to help you create a high quality ebook very fast, so make sure you stay tuned. So let's jump right in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a Canva account. If you haven't got one already, then you can do so by hitting the link below, and everything I talk about today will be linked below to make it easy for you. Some of them are affiliate links, some of them are not, but everything that I'm giving you today is completely free to use guys. Costs you absolutely nothing, and it's going to really help you create those high quality ebooks. And if you're trying to build an email list or trying to sell them as products, then this is the place to be. So Canva is the place that you want to create that ebook. The first thing we want to do, you can go and search in here for ebook, but the best thing to do is create design, and you're going to put in custom size. You're going to put in the width as 1000 pixels and the height as 1600. Simple as that. Create a new design. The reason I do it that way is because I find it much easier to search the templates down here. So it's going to give us a whole host of templates. We want to use them later on to make our ebook look really nice. The next thing that you want, this is one of the little tricks guys, is something called Tango. Now again, I'll leave links below for this, but this is completely free to use, and this is a workflow capture tool, so it's going to allow us to capture images as we go through. So if you want to do instructional guides inside your ebook where you're showing people how to do something, then this is fantastic. Now the ebook I'm going to show you, just as an example, I'm going to do how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch, something along those lines. So I'm going to want to show people click by click actionable steps that they can actually take. These ebooks do not want to be 100 pages long. People aren't going to consume that. They want to be short, sweet and actionable. That is the key, because if people can take action, they're going to enjoy them, and they're going to come back for the other content that you want to sell them later on. That is the key to success with affiliate marketing, providing as much value as possible. Once you've gone and downloaded Tango, that is a Chrome extension, so it's up here on Chrome. If I click on it, you'll see that it pops up here, and there is a pro version. Don't worry about it, we're using the free version in this video. You're going to click capture workflow, and that is where we're going to start. We'll do that in a moment. The next thing you're going to want to do is get Google Docs. Now if you've got a Mac or PC, you can use their own versions, Word or whatever, but inside here the best part about this is if you come up to tools, they have voice typing. As I said at the beginning, I'm really slow at typing and I find it a real struggle to type. You know, I just hate typing big long books and stuff like that. But with this, I can click this button and you'll see right now that it starts to type everything that I'm saying. It's all done for you. So when we want to bulk out the content in that ebook with some information, we can get it to type for us. It's really simple. And then if I stop that now, you'll see that it's typed it out. It might not be perfect, but it's picking up my accent, which is a really strong Essex boy accent here in the UK. And if it can pick that up, it can pick up almost anything. It's really good nowadays, and that makes it so simple to create that content. So once we're coming back inside, the first thing we want to do is find a template that suits us. Now for the purpose of this is an affiliate marketing guide, so I'm going to type in here marketing, and you can see there's a whole host of nice templates in here. We're going to scroll down, find one that suits us, one that we think looks pretty nice. And if you see these pop up at the bottom, it's got 1 of 2 pages. That means it's got a couple of pages there for us to use. So you'll also see that some of these are pro features, which means that not necessarily the whole template is, but maybe the image on this template is Pro. So you might be able to use a template, but it might take a bit of time to find out what part of it is a Pro feature, or you can just go and upgrade for a Pro account. It's not expensive. I've got a Pro account, so I'm going to use this. You can see that was slightly smaller there, but it's fitted it to the page because we've obviously done a custom size here. Now inside here, really easy. We can go and change all the headlines. You can go and change the images here, so you can delete an image. We can go and look up a photo, search for affiliate marketing or whatever it is that you're doing. Again, this is a Pro image. We can drag and drop that inside there. That fits inside there. We can change the URL down the bottom, all that stuff. You can also link to this URL. So if you want to link to it, we can double click that. We can hit the link at the top and you can paste in your URL that you want to send them to. So it actually creates a hyperlink in there. Fantastic. Next thing you want to do, because this hasn't got any extra pages, we can go add a page. And you can see it comes up with the same background color. Again, we can copy this. We can paste it into there if we want to. Something like that, just to make it look similar, you know. But the main thing about this is all of this stuff is easy. You can go and play around with the design. You can make it look how you want. But the hard part is creating the content. That's what takes the time and that's what takes the effort. But this strategy that I'm showing you right here is going to really accelerate your progress with that and make it so much simpler. So the next thing we want to do is obviously we want to get inside Tango. We want to go and create our workflow so that we can use those images. Now, what we're going to do, as this is an affiliate marketing tutorial, I'm going to walk through a very basic example of this. So first thing we want to do is select a product. I'm going to go into Tango. I'm going to go capture workflow. You can see it pops up at the bottom here and it gives us a number of the screenshots that it's captured. So you can see this orange box pop up. If we want to select it, we get the orange box, we click, and you can see that's come up with a number 2 down there. We click again, comes up with number 3. We can scroll down a bit, you know, click on another one just to give an example of selecting the right products. We can also go on there. We can also click on that so that we've got the right information. Then after we've selected a product, we then need to use a tool to create our affiliate marketing promotion. The tool that I'm going to use for that is GetResponse because it's the tool that I use. And again, this is completely free to use, guys, and I like free tools. So when we come inside here, again, we're just walking through. You can see all the orange boxes popping up. We're going to go up to tools and you'll see this in a second when it creates it. We're then going to go to landing pages because we want to create a landing page. We're going to go create landing page. We want to go down, find a template and click on select a template. The reason I'm doing that is because you'll see very shortly that it actually populates the text inside there a lot of the time. So it will tell them to click, press select or choose select template, whatever it may be. I'm just doing this as an example. So when we come through here, we maybe want to click on that, you know, click on that. So you can see it's capturing images. So far we've got 27. Click on next step, 29. So now it's 30. We can click on each of these steps so we can explain more detail about that. You get the idea. So now we're capturing all of those images. We can hit the publish. That's captured more images. Then once we're happy with that, we might want to move on and give them a traffic source, a bit more of an explainer about traffic source, but we built out the affiliate promotion. You know, with this, I would go into more detail about creating the follow-up emails, that sort of thing. But I'm just showing you how to create these ebooks really fast. So once we've done that, we're going to hit that button and you can see it's populated. It'll click on Meticore, whatever it is, the product. So it actually picks up the product. It picks up this. We can go and change any of this information inside here, but you can see it's captured these images, so which means we can give step-by-step tutorials really simply. We haven't had to go in, select a screen clipping tool, capture that image, then save it into a different file. It's done it all for us really quickly, and it's even populated some of the information inside here. Once we're happy with all this information, all we're going to do is hit share. We want to download this as a PDF document. Now you can't upload a PDF document directly into Canva, but I'm going to show you a trick on how to get it into our ebook. So once we've downloaded our PDF document, we're going to come back into Canva, but into the home page. Then we want to go and open up the location of where that is in downloads. We're going to drag and drop that file into there, and you'll see that it puts that design into this document. Then we can come back inside here. We can go to all your designs, and this is where we can import these designs. So we've got this design here. This is all of our pages that we've just imported from our PDF, and you can see that we can then select this, we can put that into there, and that gives us our image. Then all we've got to do is go through this document, select all of the images out that we want, so we can give it our title saying selecting a product, that sort of thing, and then we want to put our text in. This is where we can use speech to text, so we can walk through and we can go and hit this button and we can say to select the right product we're going to use Digistore 24. Inside there you want to click on marketplace and select all offers in the marketplace. Then when we go through that marketplace, we're going to look for products with a high commission rate so that we get the most money for our efforts. Then once we've found the right product, we're going to hit promote. Once we've got our promotional link, we can use that later on when we build out our landing page using get response. Full stop. Once we've got that, we want to go through, make sure the spelling and grammar is correct. We can change all of that stuff, and make sure it's worded properly, make sure it's actually understood what we've said. But you can see we've written out that would have taken me twice as long to write that amount of text. Once we're happy with that, we can copy, we can come back into our document here, we can add some text in here, we can paste that information in. You can see, and going and editing this makes it really, really simple. It's all nicely structured, and again, if you want to copy and paste this stuff over so it looks the same, we can do so like that. And then if you want to put that to the back so it's behind, we can go position backward to the back so it's sitting at the back. You can see that looks really, really nice. We can also select that, increase the size if we want, we can underline it, we can make it bold, and then with images like this we can also hyperlink. So if we want to hyperlink to Digistore 24, we can put that in there. You can see you're going to go through this document, you can see just how quick you can create your very own ebook and make it really, really nice using Canva, using Tango and using Google Docs with their speech to text tool inside there. It is really, really simple, guys. If you're not a writer like me, you really struggle with writing, grammar and English and spelling and all that horrible stuff, then this is a strategy for you. It really does work, and you can create really nice, captivating ebooks that you can use as lead magnets. You can sell, and it can be used for any business, any niche, it doesn't matter. I hope that you found some value in today's video. If you have, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or you have any struggles while you're creating your own ebook using these free tools, then reach out, leave me a comment in the comments below so I can get back to you and I can help you through that. But you can see just how simple it is. If you want to learn how to build an email list with the lead magnet we've just created, make sure you check out the video on the screen right now.